Hello everyone and welcome back to another video by Prax Art Gallery. In this video, I will be showing you how you can draw 3/4 angle eyes, especially the side face eye drawing. And if this is your first time on my channel, hi, I'm Prax and I'm a new artist. I have recently started my drawing journey. I've done the 30 days drawing challenge, which has really helped me grow further. If you want, you can check out my this playlist. And so I do share all the tips and tricks what I learn on a day-to-day basis with you folks, so that if you are in the same boat, you can learn from my journey. So feel free to subscribe my channel. It's totally free. It will help me a lot and it gives me a lot of motivation. So now let's get started. So after shading with the graphite pencil, I did realize that the shading is not coming proper and it is not looking good. So what I did is, even though my drawing was sort of completed, but I was thinking that this is not fully complete, so I did apply the charcoal powder shading like the way I'm doing right now. I was not sure how it will come out. Will it spoil my drawing or what will happen? But I did take some courage and then started this charcoal powder shading, and it turned out very well. So if I have to learn from this exercise, is something that uh, always keep on trying something new. Don't hold yourself trying something new. Like in this case, though my drawing was almost ready and I was thinking, should I go ahead and do some more shading or not? I was little hesitant, but I thought, okay, what will happen? Max to max, it will spoil my drawing, right? Then at least I will learn something. That's what I tried here, and it turned out to be a good one. So, and if you're interested in learning more such things like how to draw nose, how to draw eyes, check out these videos which are showing on your screen after this video, and you'll get to know more details how I have drawn this and what are the step by step things to follow.